Hi, I'm John Twist of University Motors, and I just want to spend a minute or two with you and show you about air horns. Air horns are the only horns you should have on your MG. Now, if you get a TC with a clear hooter, okay, all right, sure, keep that for sure. TDs have got those wind tone horns. MGAs, if they have two wind tones, those are really nice. A high note, low note, there's a resonance between them that sounds really great, but all the rest of the cars have inadequate horns. And a horn is supposed to be like really loud and make everyone's head turn, so you buy a set of air horns. Okay, these are available everywhere. Napa, Pet Boys, the discount supermarkets. I mean, you can buy this 50 bucks anywhere. So let's talk about wiring the compressor. So the compressor I've already mounted on the inner fender, as you can see here, and there's a plus and a minus on the compressor bottom, and plus takes the purple wire, because that's always hot, and minus takes the purple with black. You can see the purple with black here, because that's the one that grounds when you hit the horn push. Now, those wires don't come from the horn push, they come from over here on the other side. So we're gonna have to get male spades and loop the purple with black to the purple with black and the purple to the purple. Now we could just strip these ends off and put butt connectors on there and hook them together, but that, I kind of hate that. So when I have a chance, I'll go ahead and put spade terminals in here. And the horn push is good enough to run this compressor without the handy little relay that they send you. 77 through 80, where you've got a horn push up on the, or 68 through 69, where you get the horn push on the side, that can't handle the current. So at that point, you want to install that relay. But this will run this compressor just fine. So it comes with a split, comes with two air horns, a high note and a low note. And I will probably install these on the sides once I get enough room down here so that it doesn't interfere with the airflow going through here. And of course I don't have the oil cooler in here, so I can't get in the way. I could put them straight out, okay? That's cool. That's, I mean, hey, you want noise, it's gonna come out. But stuff's gonna get caught in the horn. Plus, when you look through the grill, you're gonna see the horn, and it's gonna look kind of, you know, if it's up here, you aren't gonna see it. It'll make enough noise. So that's it. Those are my 2 minutes with you about horns. You really, that's such a basic safety item. You want a horn that really turns heads. So until my next video, oh, if you want to get on the Zoom sessions, please go to my website, universitymotorsltd.com. On the top ribbon, it says join our newsletter. Well, the newsletter is only the things that I send out right now to alert you about the Zoom sessions. But go on there and put your name in, your email address. It automatically transfers up to Constant Contact, God knows how. And then when I go to send out a newsletter, your name will be on it too, to alert you about the new Zooms. Anyway, thanks so much. Safety fast.